If you want to create an automation on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we need to proceed to Modes and Routines, and then in here at the bottom, we should be able to go to Routines, and automations are pretty much routines. This is exactly the same thing. If we press on this plus button in the upper right corner, then we can start creating our own routine or automation. First, we need to choose the condition, so what should happen in order to activate the automation. We can choose to start it manually. We can, of course, choose one of these available options in here. The list is quite long, so you should be able to find many different options, and I'm sure you can find exactly the trigger that you exactly want to use. So let's say I'm going to choose message received. There we go. Then it can be, of course, anyone in this specific case. It can be specific senders, any message or message with a specific keyword. It's up to you how you want to set it up. In many cases, these options have additional settings, so you can be very precise with these automations and with these conditions. And in some cases, they are very basic, of course, and there is nothing that you can not much that you can, of course, adjust. Still, once we choose the condition, of course, we can add multiple conditions, and then we can tap on the action on what should happen when that trigger happens. So in my case, let's say I'm gonna go to sounds and vibration, and let's say I'm gonna, I don't know, like enable Dolby Atmos, because why not? Of course, this is just an example. You can choose once again whichever action you want. And of course, we can also choose, in many cases, we can choose what should happen when the routine is finished, once it is done. So you can, for example, switch settings back as they were before, or maybe you can toggle something different. I don't know. It's, of course, up to you. And of course, some options are available and some options are not, depending on the action itself, what you have chosen. And also we can choose for how long the routine or the automation should be kept. Usually it is forever, so of course you can keep it forever for as long as you want to, and then if needed you can remove it later on. But also we can choose a specific date, or we can run it just once after the condition is activated, or once it is met for the first time, and once the automation starts. Then afterwards, once it ends, it's deleted automatically. Alright, so we're gonna tap on save. We can also adjust the icon and the name of the routine if that's what you need. I'm gonna just tap on it done. And there we go, we have our routine or automation created. If needed, you can go to Discover over here at the bottom of the screen, and you can find many different examples that you might want to try out. Of course, you can still adjust them if needed. Like there we go, here we can tap on any of these options to adjust them. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.